Hi, I'm Heather.
And I'm Ryan.
And this is Building My Veggie Garden. Hi, welcome. Today we are going to talk about green onions. Green onions are a vegetable, and we have babies here, little seedlings that we planted 3 weeks ago.
There are seeds on top of it, which are seeds that actually make it grow.
Yes, so there are, every tiny little seed is at the top of the green onion, which is kind of neat. So what we need to do now is thin them, which means
We're gonna pick them out.
yes, so we need to have one every 3 inches. So Mariah and I are going to go through and we're going to seed them. All right. So let's say this one probably needs to pull up.
This one too.
And the ones that we're taking out, we will just throw away or mulch.
I picked one out.
Thanks. Let's look over here.
This one has a seed on it, so I'll undo the seed.
Very good.
And I'll plant the seed back in.
All right. And Mariah, do you know why we need to thin them out?
There has to be more space so that other plants can grow.
That's right. Each vegetable needs some space to grow.
Because if this is not pulled out, it won't have enough space to grow.
That's right.
Like if the other plants are not pulled out, they won't have any place to grow and they could die.
That's right. That's right. So we're really helping our future harvest by thinning them out. what's one of your favorite things to eat with green onions?
Scrambled eggs.
Yes, that's really good. Me too. I like them in salads. So green onions, all onions have vitamin C. They have a little bit of fiber, a little bit of protein. Their claim to fame is vitamin K. One medium green onion has 34% of the average woman's daily recommended amount or allowance of vitamin K. Well, Mariah, we have had so much fun, but it is time to go. But I will tell you that we have friends joining us, and we are so excited. We have other friends that are growing vegetables, and we can't wait to introduce you to them. So, until next time, keep doing the battle of the veggies. Bye!
Next time.
Please like and subscribe.